This is what's happening right now. Kind of nervous. I don't know why. It's not like I haven't colored my hair like this before, but I haven't put any color in my hair in 2, maybe 3 years. Real anxiety kicking in. But I done mixed this color and I'm not gonna waste it. So yeah, I'll give you the details later. Wish me luck. Don't come for me. Don't come for me. It is what it is. I'm trying to make sure that I start with a highlight and end with a highlight. So when I get back here, this should be a highlight as well as this is as well. Starting with a highlight, ending on a highlight. I don't even know if this brown gonna turn out right because it is oxidized to hell right now. It is like dark brown and it is nothing like what I want. So I'm interested in seeing how it's gonna turn out. Might be a little janky, but it's okay. Some of these I'm having to go in and pull out. Okay, so with what I got left, I'm just gonna go in and, sorry if you hear my son, I'm just gonna go in and try to get my roots with what I have left.